Hey guys, this is Vidya Malavde, and you guys are watching me on Bollywood Spy.
हे हेलो एवरीवन दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगम और इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद है हम सबकी चहेती विद्या मालव्य। विद्या कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन बामिनी एंड बॉयज सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए रिस्पांस कैसा रहा।
I'm very very excited to tell you guys कि Bamini and Boys Disney Plus Hotstar Quicks पे 2 हफ्ते से नंबर 1 पे है. So I'm damn excited. I'm so glad that people have liked it and people are really liking me a lot along with the boys as well.
विद्या ये जो शो है थोड़ा सा नॉटी किस्म का शो है विच कुड हैव ड्रिफ्टेड टू एन एडल्ट कॉमेडी विद लॉट्स ऑफ स्किन शो तो वर यू स्केप्टिकल जब आपके पास ये स्क्रिप्ट आई तो आपको कहीं डर लगा था क्योंकि ओटीटी एक टाइम पे जाना जाता था फॉर ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ स्टफ्स, बहुत सारे इस तरह के सीरीज बनते थे, स्किन शोज होता था, ये सब होता था, तो कहीं पे आप स्केप्टिकल थे?
Of course, I was skeptical, and that was my first thing that I spoke to them about. I said, अगर ये आप ये sleaze bit में जा रहे हैं तो मैं definitely नहीं करूँगी. अगर आपको glamorous diva चाहिए तो then that is the place that I can fit in and I can do it. But if it's those sleazy ones, then count me out of it. मुझे नहीं करना. And they were they were very clear about it that it's not going to be easy at all because this is Hotstar and they don't have the reputation of doing that. And then when I met Ashish, who the director is, he also said that don't worry, I'm not going to be putting camera where it's not right, it's not looking good, you are going to look very good in it, and we'll make sure that, of course, being sexy is a part of Bamini because that's how she is. I said, so see, that is not a problem for me. That's how I am even in my real life. Sexy is fine, glam is fine, diva is fine, all that is fine. Sleazy is not good with me, and I will not do it. Not for this particular space. It's not. I mean, it just didn't require it. I felt it would have taken it. It would have just like nosedived for me at least. So that way, it kind of worked out very well.
अगेन ऑल्सो देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन अगेन आप देखो तो इस अगर थोड़ी सी वो थिन लाइन क्रॉस हो जाती है तो यही नॉटीनेस वल्गैरिटी हो जाती है। तो बाय डायलॉग्स ऑल्सो, क्योंकि फर्स्ट जब लोगों ने देखना शुरू किया काफी लोग, आई नो पीपल जिन्होंने बोला था ये शायद वैसी तरह का होगा जो आजकल बनता है, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट, अरे ये तो मस्ती है, टाइम पास है, दिस इज फन, दिस इज नॉट दैट थिंग। तो वो उस पर कितना आप लोग ध्यान रख रहे थे कि वो कहीं पे वो थिन लाइन क्रॉस ना हो जाए?
No, the whole thing about even the script and the lines is so many times we used to when the script used to come to us, हम लोग set पे भी बैठ के we used to actually think about अच्छा इसको क्या करे, इसको कैसे करे, and so that it doesn't come across as vulgar or sleazy. So I was also very very careful. In fact, I was anal about it and I used to keep troubling Ashish. I said मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कैसे, and then we used to tone it down a little and used to make it differently or whatever. Or even the clothes for that matter, the way it was supposed to be. So there are certain kind of clothes that look really nice on me, there are certain kind which might not look so nice on me, so we were very careful about that. I think first episode I think the way it just happened, okay, the sari, the thing, now the sari looks really pretty and it looks really sexy, but nowhere does it look very sleazy. अब आपका ब्लाउज स्ट्रैपी है, वो छोटा सा नॉट है पीछे, and it's low cut sari and all that thing, everything, the palla is flying and all that, so it can also end up sometimes looking very vulgar. But I was very careful that it should not go into that space. Or even the bikini top and everything. They first came to me telling me that what if you wear a bikini. I said, in my head I was thinking, if it's a swimming pool I can wear a bikini, मैं किसी घर पे थोड़ी ना जाऊंगी bikini पहन के, it sounds stupid. And they were like, yeah, okay, so then what can we do? So we were like, okay, I'll wear a pair of shorts with it, and we had this little flowing jacket on it, so it just ends up looking along with fun, it also looks a little graceful,
and also like, justified.
And a lot of people have actually said that even if it's supposed to be a little थोड़ा सा वो thin line है, पर आप फिर भी बहुत graceful लग रहे हो इसमें. So I said, चलो then my battle, but very 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 glam and grace, like that it is. So it kind of worked very well. I think even the channel and the writers and all knew that they didn't want to make Bamini sleazy, or they didn't want to make her like opportunistic and things.
जी.
So she's even though she gets वो अपना काम निकालती है, but
She's
it's
bit
also
of
very sweet.
naive, bit of witty.
Huh, it's like okay, she'll also go get breakfast. She'll make it on her own hands and get for them because आपने मेरे photo खींचे. My Instagram has now become very good and all that. So I made something good for you also and all that. So it's sweet that way. She's like she's nice.
ओटीटी पे जो आपने फिलहाल ये जो काम कर रहे हैं आप, बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप का काम हो रहा है, तो क्या इसके पीछे भी कोई ये रीजन है कि नहीं मैं एक अगर करूंगी तो इस तरह का कुछ रहेगा, विच इज लाइक टोटल अगर आपने जो भी किया है वो बहुत डिफरेंट रहा है.
I think I'm just extremely lucky कि मुझे ये करने का मौका मिला है because I think it's like opened another like a bag of I'm like a kid in a candy store because I एक तरफ मुझे मिसमैच्ड में जीनत का पार्ट करने को मिला
जी.
तो दूसरी तरफ कामिनी करने को मिला. किसी ने मुझे इस तरह से देखा नहीं है पहले किसी भी फिल्म फॉर्मेट में. Nobody's seen me as this glamorous woman. I've always played बहुत ही सीरियस पार्ट्स किए हैं मैंने. चक दे हो, फ्लैश हो, काली हो, चाहे all the movies that I've done or whatever that I've done, everywhere I've played this either girl next door or a very serious like a player in Chak De or whatever. Um, or I played a cop in Kali last year, which that released, and Mismatched. Of course, everybody knows me as
Yeah.
Zeenat. So these are all very, very different from Bamini. So that's why I was damn excited to do something like this because I've never played a character jo itna animated ho. She's almost like a child woman, and she's. I had so much fun doing this only because it was so different. I've never worn clothes like this on camera ever. Like such tight, short dresses. I had to make sure that I was in the best shape ever. The whole thing, it was just like, just I would say कि जैसे एक quintessential heroine होती है उस तरह से full hair, makeup, this that. Otherwise I should never really worry so much about what hair, makeup and all is going to be because my character was never glam. But here I knew that okay, my nails are red and my hair is fully blow dried and it's got these golden highlights going. All that was there. All the the heroine type things were there in this one. So that's why like she's to play her glamorous, all this had to come. Um, but yeah, I'm just like I said very blessed कि मुझे एक तरफ जीनत के जैसी एक innocent, warm, really sweet, yet slightly confused and insecure, not insecure, but kind of scared sort of a character that I play. And on the other hand, there's this diva who's glam, who's like so much, so animated, and that not sly, but still quite ambitious as well. And then there was Flesh, where I played this mother whose daughter's
Yeah.
been taken away from her, and she's going into flesh trade, sold for flesh trade. That was a different space
Very,
of
very different. Yeah.
space and mindset completely, to a cop in Kali, which I really did think that I even looked like a cop, but while I was there, I was just like, all right, I'm going to play this hard ass person. Or to inside Edge Me, I played this hockey coach. I mean, sorry, hockey no. I played this cricket coach, the bowling coach. So that was also very different, and I enjoyed that as well a lot. Yeah.
बट इसकी शुरुआत कहीं ना कहीं आपकी पहली फिल्म से ही हुई थी. इंतहा में भी जो आपका जो कैरेक्टर था बहुत ही डिफरेंट था. कैरेक्टर किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इस तरह का एक कैरेक्टर होगा, और शायद पहली बार इस तरह का कैरेक्टर एक लिखा भी गया था. तो कहीं पे उस वक्त भी आपको डर था कि कहीं मैं एक वैम्प की उसमें अटक ना जाऊं?
No, but that character was not of a vamp. That character was of a very
प्रोटेक्टिव.
protective older sister. So that would not have been a vamp at all. But no, I've never thought of being. I mean, I don't know. Such thoughts don't really cross my mind. What I get excited about is what I'm supposed to play and how I'm supposed to play. So my mind just starts doing these tricks on myself, saying that, okay, what are you going to do with this one? How are you going to make this one come alive? How is she going to be different from what you did last? So all that sort of starts playing, because when I get excited about, say, a character or a script, then that's the whole thing. Rather than being thinking about how will I get typecast, I don't know. I don't think of all that. There's no time to think of all that actually.
बट जब चक दे आपने
Exactly.
चक दे इंडिया की थी, आपका जो कैरेक्टर पूरे मतलब इंडिया में नहीं अब्रॉड में भी घर घर में फेमस हो गया था, तो कभी लगा था कि इतना पॉपुलर होगा? एंड नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग, आज 14 साल हो रहे हैं इस फिल्म को, फिर भी पीपल टॉक अबाउट दैट फिल्म। आपका कैरेक्टर आज भी लोगों के सामने आ जाता है, कैप्टन ऑफ इंडिया, एंड वो जो रोल शायद एक अमर रोल कर लिया आपने। कभी लगा था कि इतना पॉपुलर हो जाएगा?
आई मीन जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तब पता था कि कुछ बहुत इनक्रेडिबल हो रहा है, कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, पर इतनी उसकी रीच होगी या इतना लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा, ये नहीं पता था। डेफिनेटली नॉट, आई डिडंट थिंक इट वुड। आई मीन उस वक्त सोशल मीडिया भी नहीं था, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड टू आवर सोशल मीडियाज, but because when Mismatch released, I was going a little mad saying kya hai mujhe every day I'm tagged in some stories, I can't deal with it. So it was like that. So I don't know what would have happened when Chak De had released in times like these, but फिर भी उसकी reach India, abroad, everywhere, the way people were like, the song, the actors, the characters, I mean, I just no, I didn't think it would be like this. I didn't know what it was to be loved so much by everybody. In terms of, even today people will even when I'm walking on the road say, hey, Chak De girl. That's what they will say, and I'm like, okay, that was a while ago. But that is one of the most memorable, and मैंने नहीं सोचा था वो उसकी रीच या वो लोगों को इतनी अच्छी लगेगी। तो मुझे पता था, पड़ी थी तभी मुझे भी लगा था, ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या है, दिस विल बी अ phenomenal film.
जी।
Oh big, I don't know. उस टाइम तो ये 100 crore सब भी नहीं था लाइफ में,
नहीं था कुछ नहीं।
अब जाके हुआ है this 100 crore and 2 बड़े 100 crores are happening, but that time it was just plain and simple. You made this film, we didn't realize it would be this big, पर करने में भी मजा आया, और जब पढ़ी थी तभी लगा था कि कुछ है, बात तो थी।
But आपको पता था शाहरुख is going to be part of this film?
Yeah, I mean, eventually, of course, we knew. I knew it actually. Yeah, by the time, yeah, I knew he was. So very strange. 2 दिन पहले, just 2 days before I got confirmed for Chak De, मैंने शाहरुख सर के साथ एक ad की थी, and I didn't want to tell him because I wasn't confirmed. Or was I confirmed? I don't remember. But I didn't want to tell him कि मैं आपके साथ ना एक film करने वाली हूँ types. But yeah, I think, but I was really excited, and I just feel like, or maybe I got the confirmation call just after I finished shooting with him or something like that. So I just feel like I think he was like one of the like a lucky mascot for me, because I finished working on the ad film with him, and then I think a day later or 2 days later, I got the call saying that, "Acha, theek hai, you're confirmed for Chak De to play the captain." And I was like, "Oh wow, Yash Raj film and Mr. Khan in it, amazing."
Of course. कुछ फैंस के क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके। सबसे पहले तो एक ये है कि लॉ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ साथ आपने एड्स किए और मस्का चस्का से पूरे देश का दिल जीत लिया था, तो जब मुड़ के देखते हैं तो कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली। आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक मेरे मॉडलिंग के जो डेज थे वो सबसे बेस्ट डेज है मेरे लिए। इतना नॉस्टैल्जिया अटैच्ड है। आई वाज वे यंगर, आई हैड नो आइडिया इवन, उस टाइम पे आई डोंट थिंक वी यूज्ड टू, nowadays if you look at people, look at all the actors, all the younger actors, they've gone through their courses या workshops या they've gone to acting schools and things like that. जब मैंने मॉडलिंग शुरू की थी तब मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया था। मैं फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट थी, मुझे एक एड मिल गई तो मैंने कर ली, फिर उसके बाद दूसरी तीसरी को एड्स मिलती गई तो मैं करती गई, और फिर भी मैं फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट का काम भी किया करती थी उसके साथ में। तो आई मीन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। that was a golden time I think of the ad film world also, क्योंकि I think उसके बाद a lot of actors started becoming models or brand ambassadors and all of that. उसके पहले there were not too many actors, there were models who used to model basically, and
फेमस हो गए तो फिल्मों में आते थे।
करेक्ट, फेमस हो गए तो फिल्मों में आते थे। अभी it's the other way around.
ओके, आपने खतरों के खिलाड़ी किया था 2008 में, तो आज अगेन इट्स गोइंग टू अ न्यू सीजन, तो आपके कोई दोस्त है किनके लिए आप टिप्स देना चाहेंगे, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
tips, I just know one person who's there. मुझे पता नहीं कौन है उसमें, but I know Arjun Bijlani is there.
Okay.
And I know Arjun well and his wife, so I just want to say all the very best. Win it, get the home run going.
बट विद्या, सच में वहां पे जाके वो फियर को आप कैप्चर कर सकते हो? ऐसा होता है कि
Listen, मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज याद है. I mean, not that I'm scared of snakes. Actually, I love snakes. But to अपना एक टैंक में बहुत सारे snakes थे और I think छोटे-छोटे tennis balls or something were in the tank. और आपके हाथ बंधे हुए थे और आपको मुंह से वो tennis balls निकालने थे. So, and I remember I was the last one to do it. So I was like the 14th person to do it. The snake tank was already damn dirty by then. जिन्होंने पहले निकाले थे, I think they were much better off क्योंकि पानी थोड़ा साफ था, दिख भी रहे थे वो balls. पर ये इतने सारे snakes थे उसके अंदर. And after a while, even the snakes, the animals get a little agitated, no?
Yeah.
So I was the last one to remove those balls out. Though I think I won that round because I removed all of them in that particular time or whatever, or I removed the maximum of them. But yeah, to put your mouth where the snake's mouth is very, very, I mean, to think of it is very fearful. And you just have to shut your eyes and shut your brain and do the task. That's just it. Yeah, otherwise, one thing, so I don't know. I don't think I would have ever done the first stunt that we had to do. I think was एक helicopter से jump मारनी थी आपको एक पानी के in a water body.
Correct.
At a particular point. Obviously वो particular point पे मैं नहीं पहुंची और मैं पता नहीं किस तरह से गिरी कि मेरा ये फट गया. Just a little above my eyelid, I got a little tear here, a little this, and we had to.
I remember, yeah.
Put a stitch or two or something like that. So it began only like that, and then I got this really high temperature, and then I had to get an injection in my hip, which was so painful, and I was like, "Ye ho kya raha hai?" And then of course my dad was extremely unwell, and I think he had to go for a angioplasty at that time, so I just had to come back. So that was that khatron ke khiladi for me.
But we would love to see you going back again and जीत के आएंगे आप वहाँ पे. So fingers crossed for that. Also आपने मिर्ची टॉप 20 एक जमाने में होस्ट किया था. तो ये क्वेश्चन ये आया कि आजकल जो रियलिटी शोज हो रहे हैं, इंडियन आइडल एंड ये सब, जहाँ पे सिंगर्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, इतने सारे आते हैं, उस पे आप पे व्यूज क्या है? क्या लगता है आपको कि कितने जेन्युइन है ये और क्या होगा आगे?
So I haven't seen too many of them, but some that I do watch. I think हमारे देश में इतना ज़्यादा टैलेंट है ना, that I feel like it's exploding right now. It's wonderful. अगर किसी को इससे एक ब्रेक मिलता है या किसी को थोड़ी पब्लिसिटी या एक पुश मिलता है, so I think there's nothing wrong in that, whether it's dancing, whether it's singing or anything else. So I think अगर, or even I'm sure there are some, like if you can get like maybe a gig or two, या आप maybe not playback singing but maybe shows. अगर आपको if these shows, अगर आप टीवी पे आ रहे हो और लगातार हफ्ते दर हफ्ते आ रहे हो तो थोड़ा तो फेम आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. उसके साथ अगर आप बहुत अच्छे भी हो तो then you're definitely going to be noticed. Whether you do a film song या whether you do कुछ और बाहर is up to you how you take your career, and of course luck and all that. But I think it's a good thing, yeah. Any talent, if I see something and I appreciate it, and मैं अगर उससे उसको सुनती हूँ या डांस देखती हूँ, remember those who were those kings something, super kings something, I don't know what they are. There was a group of Indian dancers, they're from Masai, I think, Kashi, who reached this thing in on NBC in the US.
Right. I think Dharavi, not Dharavi.
Because I Instagrammed them and all of that, because they were winning and they were so good, and there's so many like that. I forgot his name. Suresh's name was, I remember that, and his dancers. So they were all doing America's Got Talent or something like that, one of the big shows there as well. So it's incredible, yeah.
और इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है ये बताइए? कौन सी वेब सीरीज है, फिल्मों में क्या हो रहा है?
So yeah, इसके as soon as lockdown जैसे ही खत्म होता है तो we have about 8 days or so to finish on Bamini and Boys. तो वो सेकंड सीजन के 8 दिन बचे हैं, वो हम शूट करके फिनिश करेंगे और उसके बाद अभी आई एम prepping for a new series, and I can only tell you that I think it's one of the most complex characters that I have ever played, and I'm very very excited because she's nothing like Zeenat or Bamini or Vidya Sharma or Reba Gupta from Flash. She's none of that. She's completely, I don't know, she's raw and she's amazing. So I'm prepping on that. It's one of my favorite directors that I've longed to work with, and I finally get a chance to work. It's like a dream come true.
Fingers
So I'm
crossed for
keeping
that. Even we are excited and
yeah,
wish you all the best for that. Yeah, and stay safe and thank you for being with us.
Yeah, after that there's Mismatched, of course, season 2 that starts.
Yes, of course that is there. Thank you so much.